Hey guys, it's Friday. Went through some stuff on Keepup, found some more deals, ordered some more stuff. So I've been going through the CDs and pre-sorting them by condition. So those are the very good condition, and those are good. And also I have the two more boxes to go through. Those CDs and the bottom one, and I'm just charging my scanner, my barcode scanner. So in the meantime, I'm gonna list the CDs. I think there are around 150, 200. So I'm gonna list them in the meantime, and then I'm gonna pull eBay orders and Amazon Merchant Fulfilled and eBay second store orders. So I'm gonna start listing the CDs in the meantime. So I'm done with the CDs. I just need to list them now. So I'm done sorting them. So those are good CDs. Those are very good CDs. And I listed already 176. So I'm probably gonna binge list everything else here, and that's it. And then I'm gonna pack some eBay and Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders, and yeah, and that's what I'm gonna do today probably. I don't think I'll have time for anything else, so I'm gonna take a little break and start listing them. Okay, so I listed 280 CDs, and they are here, this row and this one. So 280 CDs. Not good ranks. Some are okay, most are just super bad. But you know, if I'll sell something, my minimum price is $7, so it's $1.50 if I'm making the sale. So instead of throwing it away, I'm good with that. It just sits here. I have the room, just sits here, and when it sells, it sells. So I pulled my eBay orders. We have a hat, new with tags, hunting hat, sold for $24. We have two of Department 56 figures that I listed a couple of days ago, or a few days ago. The same person bought both of them. I think it's like $40 both of them. We have this nice thing, bottle opener for, I think it's sold for $10. We got this in a big bin with full of stuff from the auction house. So yeah, first class. Basically we paid nothing, so quick $10. An Eastern Press book, one of the cheapest one we ever had. It sold for $19. We have, on our second store, we have a N64 game, sold for $9. Board game, I think, or cards, sold for $20. Paint, or yeah, acrylic craft paint, sold for $8. Star Trek card, what's her name? Forgot her name, from Avatar. Zoe something, I think. So this sold for, I think, $20. We got this at the auction. A lot of Star Trek items. We sold a glove, a baseball glove. sold for 35. It's just gonna be shipped in the priority flat rate envelope. We have, this is the bag of 8 bags of seed something, virtual sun. I don't know, second time we sold it. I think it was my first online arbitrage purchase, which was super bad. This is the second we sell. Another I think it's Star Wars related. I'm not so sure. Or is it just, I don't know, just a battlefield in a box, just a small tower or something? This DVD, oldie again, and Will of Grace 1 to 3, seasons 1 to 3. Sold for I think 20, I think. And basically, oh, we have one more sale. We sold this. It's stereo cassette deck, Sony, for parts. It basically turns on, but it doesn't play the cassettes. So maybe it's just a belt to replace, but yeah, I didn't look into that. So it's 250 plus 25 shipping, and it goes to Canada. So that's a nice sale. Basically, we bought this from a very rich house in this area. We paid $700 for basically a car full of stuff. We're in the money. I mean, we made a lot of money from that buy. We sold a couple of items for, I think 3 items for $700 each. So yeah, we made our money back, and stuff are still selling from that sale. So yeah, so I'm gonna pack those. I'm not so sure that I'm gonna ship them today. I might ship them tomorrow, but I'm gonna pack them now. Okay, so that wasn't as bad as I thought, even though I didn't pack the electronic device for Canada, the Sony one. So this is it. And while I was packing, I sold another thing. Just a stamp or some sort, limited edition. I think this is this one. Yeah. It's a cool little piece, like a framed stamp or something. I don't know. Pretty cool. We got this at one of our estate sales. And also we have 16 items on Amazon Watcher Fulfilled. DVDs mainly. So I'm gonna pack this, and I'm gonna pull the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders. So I pulled all the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders. We had 1 book, and the rest are CDs and DVDs. 17 items. So I'm gonna pack those now. We had one sale of the thing we found on Keepa, which we make $20 off, another sale. So that's been going good. We have, I think, 10 more items to go, which is $200 net. I think we covered the cost already. So I'm gonna pack, and I'll show you when it's done. So finished packing everything, and we got another sale, some Magic the Gathering sleeves. So I'm gonna pack this, and I'm probably gonna ship everything today, just Amazon, if I'll make it in time. So that's what I'm gonna do next. print the shipping labels for everything. I don't know if I said it or not, but those are good CDs that I didn't go through yet. Good condition CDs that I need to list. My back is like killing me, so I decided I'm gonna list them another day. That's why I'm not listing more. So what I'm gonna do is go to the office right now and print all the shipping labels for Amazon. So I ended up printing labels for everything. So Amazon Merchant Fulfilled and eBay, and we got two more sales on eBay while I was packing. Printing labels. So I didn't pack and ship the Sony cassette tape. Sony cassette deck, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And we sold another Transformer, vintage one from the 80s, Onslaught, something like that. Sold it for $20 and $5 shipping. So yeah, we got this for basically nothing in one of the estate sales. We bought a lot of Transformers, and we sold Beatles figurines and the submarine for $60 and $8 shipping. So those I'm gonna pack tomorrow, maybe ship tomorrow, not so sure. So that's it. About almost 20 items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and about 15 on eBay. So it's pretty good, and the weekend is just about to start, and I listed about 280 more items Merchant Fulfilled. So, and hopefully the FBA shipment that I shipped a few days ago will hit the warehouse and will be available to buy. So that'll be a good boost to the sales. So basically that's it, guys. I'm gonna head out to the post office and drop everything off. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good weekend.